Hi students, welcome to ePathashala. I am Dr. Kalpakam Pulasa from the National Institute of Nutrition. I worked there as director in charge and now I am retired. In this module, you will be learning about various aspects of pyridoxine, history of the pyridoxine, the food sources, chemistry and the structure, absorption, utilization, metabolism, transport, storage, functions, deficiency, distribution, and also how to detect the deficiencies and the RDA which are required to keep us healthy and free from pyridoxine deficiency. Pyridoxine B6, history, structure, chemistry, dietary sources, distribution and absorption, utilization, transport, metabolism, storage, functions, deficiency, structure and chemistry. Pyridoxine is a colorless compound. It is soluble in water, alcohol, stable to heat, acid and alkali, but can be easily destroyed on exposure to light in neutral or alkaline medium. Pyridoxine 5-phosphate oxidase is a homodimer, a molecule consisting of two identical polypeptide subunits. These two monomers are bound by disulfide bond, salt bridge formation between two monomers binding one molecule of pyridoxal 5-phosphate to other tightly. This is due to the disulfide bonds present in the secondary protein structure of this enzyme. Whenever there are multiple thiol groups in the structure of the molecule, disulfide bond formation takes place. Pyridoxine 5-phosphate needs the presence of a cofactor FMN, that is flavin mononucleotide. The cofactors are ions or coenzymes necessary for enzyme activity. The role of FMN is to help the enzymes to bind to the substrates. The active site of the enzyme is available for binding in the absence of pyridoxal 5-phosphate. After binding of PLP to the enzyme, the active site of the enzyme is not available. There are specific amino acid residues which can form hydrogen bond with the pyridoxal phosphate. Dietary sources. It is widely distributed in plant and animal food as 5-phosphates protein complex. Liver, muscle, meat, ground beef, chicken breast, tuna, salmon, vegetables, whole grains and cereals, chickpeas, sunflower seeds, mushroom, nuts, watermelon, potatoes and spinach are food sources. Animal products contain pyridoxine and pyridoxamine phosphates as major form. In the plants and cereals, it is present as pyridoxine. Glycosylated forms are also present. Up to 75% of this vitamin is present as glycoside, which have limited availability. A proportion of B6 may not be available after heating as a result of formation of phosphopyridoxal lysine. It takes place by reduction of the bond by which the vitamin is bound to the amino groups of lysine in protein. Pyridoxal lysine is anti-metabolite of B6. The formation of pyridoxal lysine may affect the nutritional value of proteins, absorption, distribution and utilization. The phosphorylated forms of the vitamin are hydrolyzed by alkaline phosphatase in the intestinal mucosa. Subsequently, dephosphorylated forms of pyridoxal, pyridoxoamine, pyridoxine are all absorbed by carrier-mediated diffusion. Following this step, accumulation of pyridoxal phosphate takes place by metabolic trapping. Pyridoxal phosphate is stored in the liver as pyridoxal phosphate. In plasma, about 60% of the vitamin B6 is PLP. Pyridoxal and PLP are primarily bound with plasma albumin. Excess is excreted in the urine. About 80% of the body's total vitamin B6 is pyridoxal phosphate in muscle bound to glycogen phosphorylase. This is not released from muscle in times of deficiency. During starvation, it is released as muscle glycogen reserves are exhausted. Then the vitamin is available for redistribution to other tissues, particularly the liver and kidney, to meet the requirements for gluconeogenesis using glucogenic amino acids. Metabolism, transport and storage. It is required by the body to make amino acids, carbohydrates and lipids. B6 is a coenzyme in the synthesis and catabolism of amino acids. It is involved in the metabolism of more than 100 enzymes. B6 functions as a coenzyme in the conversion of tryptophan into niacin. The synthesis hormone epinephrine and neurotransmitters dopamine, serotonin all require B6 as the coenzyme. A vitamin B6 individual can suffer from a deficient individual of B6 can suffer from insomnia, damage to central nervous system. The metabolically active form of this vitamin is the pyridoxal phosphate, and it is involved in reactions of amino acid metabolism, the glycogen phosphorylase, and in the recycling of steroid hormone receptors. PLP is involved in macronutrient metabolism, namely synthesis of neurotransmitters, histamines, hemoglobin, gene expression and its functions. Liver is the site for vitamin B6 metabolism and storage. The enzyme pyridoxal 5-phosphate catalyzes many reactions involved in the vitamin B6 metabolism pathway. It catalyzes the terminal step, which is also the rate limiting step in B6 metabolism, and the biosynthesis of pyridoxal 5'-phosphate. This form is the biologically active form of vitamin B6 and functions as essential cofactor. B6, also known as pyridoxal, is an important nutrient for the human body since it is responsible for several physiological functions in the body than any other vitamin. Since these enzymes catalyze the simultaneous oxidation reduction reaction, hence pyridoxal 5-phosphate oxidase is a member of enzyme class oxidases or oxidoreductases. Liver exports both pyridoxal phosphate in bound form with albumin and pyridoxal, which circulates as bound form to both albumin and hemoglobin. Extrahepatic tissues take up pyridoxal after hydrolysis of pyridoxal phosphate in plasma by alkaline phosphatase followed by phosphorylation to trap the vitamin within the cell. In the liver, B6 is excreted if it is in excess and oxidized to 4-pyridoxic acid, which is excreted. What are the functions of B6? B6 is cofactor in many of the reactions in the human body. These reactions involve decarboxylation, transaminations, racemization, elimination, replacement and beta group interconversions. Vitamin B6 dependent enzyme catalyze 4 main types of reactions that are amino acid transamination, permitting both utilization of amino acid carbon skeleton for gluconeogenesis or ketogenesis, and also the synthesis of non-essential amino acid. Decarboxylation to form a variety of biologically active amines, racemization and variety of side chain reactions. In the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats and protein, vitamin B6 functions as coenzyme. It implies that enzymes which metabolize these nutrients for utilization for physiological functions in the body can function only if B6 vitamin is present. This is due to the reason that conformational change in the enzyme which activates them is brought about by presence of B6. Thus, it plays an important role in the synthesis of hormones, red blood cells, neurotransmitters, and enzymes. Steroid hormones function by binding to nuclear receptors, which then bind to hormone response sequence on DNA, thereby influencing the transcription of specific genes. Pyridoxal phosphate helps in releasing the hormone receptor complex from DNA binding, which results in termination of nuclear action of the hormone. In experimental animals, vitamin B6 deficiency results in increased as well as prolonged nuclear uptake. This results in retention of steroid hormones in target tissues and facilitates in increased responsiveness of end organ to low doses of hormones. Vitamin B6 benefits for overall health. High levels of homocysteine is a risk factor for heart disease. Consuming B6 supplements with other vitamins like folic acid, B12 has been shown to be effective for lowering the homocysteine levels. Brain function. B6 helps in proper brain development and brain function. B6 deficiency could influence memory function, contribute to cognitive impairment, Alzheimer's, and dementia. Mood elevator. B6 also plays an important role in synthesis of hormones serotonin and norepinephrine, which are the two hormones known as happy hormones that help to control the mood, energy, and concentration. It is believed that certain behavior disorders in children, including the attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, are caused by low serotonin levels, and consumption of B6 may be beneficial for them. It has been shown that B6 has effect on the production of serotonin and GABA neurotransmitters in brain. These two are important hormones and they impact mood and are essential to prevent depression, pain, fatigue, and anxiety. B6 has been associated with elevating mood and preventing mood disorders. Anemia. Vitamin B6 is required for synthesis of hemoglobin. It carries oxygen by its presence in the red blood cells and metabolizes iron. B6 can help in prevention of anemia. B6 supplements have been studied for their beneficial effects in people having a genetic disorder called sideroblastic anemia. People with this disorder are unable to produce sufficient healthy red blood cells. Vitamin B6 supplements have been found to be effective in the treatment of this condition. Eye health. Micronutrient deficiency is responsible for eye diseases. Consuming vitamin B6 along with other vitamins including folate prevent eye disorders, loss of vision, and age-related macular degeneration. Rheumatoid arthritis. Low levels of vitamin B6 have been associated with increased symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, including severe pain and stiffening of the joints. B6 is reported to be beneficial in reducing pain and inflammation due to arthritis. Safety toxicity. Pyridoxine, which is commonly present in the food, is also used as a dietary supplement. B6 is a water-soluble vitamin and therefore considered as safe. There is little evidence that intakes up to 200 mg of vitamin B6 per day are associated with adverse effects. Supplements of 50 to 200 milligram of B6 per day are prescribed for many conditions. As a supplement, it is used to treat and prevent pyridoxine deficiency, sideroblastic anemia, pyridoxine-dependent epilepsy, and certain metabolic disorders. It is usually well tolerated. Normal doses are safe during pregnancy and during lactation. Toxicity due to excess consumption is rare. It may happen only if consumed at doses between 2000 to 7000 milligram per day. In rare instances, excess ingestion may cause degeneration of sensory fibers in peripheral nerves, numbness of hand, feet, headache, and sleepiness. Deficiency. Drug interactions or loss of vitamin B6 during food processing may cause deficiency. Clinical deficiency of B6 is rare. The vitamin is widely distributed in food and is synthesized by intestinal flora. However, several studies have shown that 10 to 20% of the population of developed countries have marginal or inadequate status. In literature, one study has been reported in the early 1950s about an outbreak that was due to spoilage of infant milk preparation that had undergone high temperature heating for prolonged time during the manufacture. This resulted in the formation of anti-metabolic pyridoxal lysine by the reaction between pyridoxal phosphate and the amino groups of lysine in the protein. Many infants became sick due to consumption of this milk and they convulsed. They were treated with B6, to which they responded. The populations at risk of B6 deficiency are the pregnant, lactating women due to additional body demands, the elderly due to lower food intake, underweight individuals, chronic alcoholics, women, especially those taking oral contraceptives, and people who take high amounts of proteins. Symptoms of deficiency. The clinical signs and symptoms of pyridoxine deficiency are peripheral neuritis, epileptiform convulsions, anemia, glossitis, neurological abnormalities, or impaired immune functions, and seborrheic dermatitis. The assessment of extent of clinical pyridoxine deficiency is difficult, as these signs and symptoms are seen in other B vitamin deficiencies as well, particularly that with riboflavin, vitamin B2. Drug-induced vitamin B6 deficiency frequently manifests as the tryptophan niacin deficiency because disease pellagra because of the synthesis of nicotinamide nucleotide coenzyme from tryptophan is pyridoxal phosphate dependent. Some symptoms due to low levels of B6 are poor growth, depression, general fatigue, dizziness, nerve problems, irritability, confusion, and convulsions. Infants with B6 deficiency exhibit neurological symptoms and abdominal distress. In young women of reproductive age in India, particularly during pregnancy and in women using oral contraceptives, biochemical as well as clinical evidence of pyridoxine deficiency has been reported. There was increase in the urinary excretion of xanthiniuric acid followed tryptophan load in pregnant women and women using oral contraceptives. These individuals need more than 5 to 10 milligram pyridoxine per day to correct this abnormality, which is believed to be hormone effect on the enzyme kynurenidase. Pregnant women also show lower levels of PLP in plasma and enzymatic evidence of pyridoxine deficiency. B6 deficiency in elderly is also known. Detection of the deficiency. Nutritional assessment. There are many methods to assess the B6 stages. These are measurement of plasma levels of pyridoxal phosphate, the coenzyme of B6, urinary excretion of B4 pyridoxic acid, activation of erythrocyte aminotransferases, the aspartate aminotransferase and alanine aminotransferase, and in vitro stimulation of pyridoxal phosphate, and ability to metabolize test doses of tryptophan and methionine. The last two are indicators of functionality. However, none of the methods are absolutely satisfactory. Plasma PLP is widely used, and external influences can influence the test results. Pregnancy, smoking, age, and increase in alkaline phosphatase activity tend to reduce the PLP levels. Nevertheless, plasma pyridoxal phosphate is believed to reflect tissue stores and hence is considered to be one of the best indicator of deficiency. Plasma level of PLP is measured enzymatically by using tyrosine apodecarboxylase or by HPLC. Concentration of 7.4 nanogram per ml, that is 30 nanomole per liter, is considered to be adequate. Urinary excretion of B6 metabolite or 4-pyridoxic acid correlates well with dietary intake of B6 and is used in population surveys. Excretion of more than 0.55 per day, that is 3 micromole per day, suggests adequate intake. The erythrocyte alanine aminotransferase and aspartate aminotransferase have been used for assessing vitamin B6 status. These enzymes require PLP as coenzyme. Enzyme activities are measured without and with PLP added in vitro to give activation coefficient AC, which is inversely related to B6 nutrition status. Tryptophan load test. The enzyme kynurenase of tryptophan niacin pathway requires pyridoxal phosphate as a cofactor. In B6 deficiency, its activity is affected, resulting in increased urinary excretion of xanthorrhinic acid, particularly after an oral load of tryptophan. Excretion of other metabolites such as kynurenic acid and OH, kynurenine, are elevated. The test is conducted by administering an oral load of 2 or 5 grams of tryptophan and measuring the urinary excretion of xanthorrhinic acid in 6 to 8 hour period, preferably 24 hours. Normal subjects excrete less than 32 micromole of xanthorrhinic acid in 8-hour collection after 2 grams of tryptophan load. These results may not be accurate in pregnant women and users of oral contraceptive, even if B6 levels are normal. This is due to selective effect of enzymes in tryptophan niacin pathway. The recommended and requirements for dietary allowance in adults. Pyridoxine requirement depends on the protein content of the diet. Some information is available suggesting that pyridoxine intake may vary from 1.2 to 3.3 milligram per day among the Indians. People who consume only 1.2 milligram per day have some evidence of pyridoxine deficiency as assessed by pyridoxic acid excretion and xanthorrhinic acid excretion following tryptophan load. The deficiency was not observed in individuals consuming 1.9 milligram per day. Requirement increased from 1.25 to 1.4 gram per day with increase of dietary protein from 30 gram to 100 gram. Since pyridoxine is in bound form as glycoside in plant food, its availability may be lesser as compared to animal foods. The National Research Council USA has recommended 2 mg per day for adult males and 1.6 mg per day for adult females in 1989. The FAO WHO in 2004 has recommended lower levels of B6 intake for adult male and female and other groups. The present recommendation for Indians as given by Indian Council of Medical Research is 2 mg per day for adults. Pregnant and lactating women. Pregnant women show biochemical evidence of pyridoxine deficiency, which can be corrected only by taking higher dose of pyridoxine. WHO, FAO and NRC have recommended an additional 0.6 and 0.5 for women during pregnancy and lactation. RDA for Indian is also the same. Infants and children. In infants who consume less than 0.1 mg of B6 through breast milk, evidence of B6 deficiency was not observed. Babies were protected against abnormal tryptophan metabolism with B6 intake of 0.3. WHO FAO has recommended 0.1 mg per day for infants of 0 to 6 months, but higher level of 0.3 mg per day for 6 to 12 month infants. NRC has recommended 0.3 per day and 0.6 mg per day for infants of 0 to 6 months and 6 to 12 months respectively. The Indian RDA is 0.1 mg per day for infant between 0 to 6 months and 0 to 0.4 mg per day for infants between 6 to 12 months. Pyridoxine exists in various forms, and it is there as a pyridoxal amine in an amino form, it's there as an alcohol form, as an aldehyde form, as well as this phosphorylated derivatives, and is present in many of the foods, but liver is the rich source of pyridoxine. It participates in a number of biochemical reactions in the body, and therefore it's an important nutrient, and the pyridoxine deficiency totally is very rare, but marginal deficiencies can be existing, and estimations are done by usually biochemical methods which are standard, and the RDA for human adults is 2 mg per day.